Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. My tutorial today will be taking you one-on-one on how to recover KRA password. So it's an easy process. KRA has put it that the moment you have one detail, either or your personal identity number, or your ID number or your name, you'll be able to recover all. For today, we have our PIN and we are trying to recover our password. So the first thing that you come here, you say forgot password. Then it will take you to this step. You will say Kenya, you will see iTax will take you to this platform. We'll first fill the security stamp. Once we fill the security stamp 48 plus 12, we'll be able to submit it. Then it says your password has been mailed to you. So we'll just come to our Gmail account. Once you come to a Gmail account, I'm sure they never make a mistake. We can see here the password reset for KRA Web Portal has been sent, the logins and the password. Thank you for sticking with me. This is Lifestyle Tutorials. If you find the tutorial successful, ensure you leave a thumbs up for YouTube algorithm to award me. Ensure you subscribe. Thank you.